Good evening, everyone. When core Duke-NUS courses were first launched, the idea of having further education in healthcare product regulations intrigued me, since such courses for the working professional were not common. Being relatively new in the regulatory field, I decided to try the courses and initially intended to only take a few. But one thing led to another, and here I am along with you all on this graduation day.
This is Lokendra here, and it gives me immense pleasure to join and complete my grad certificate course in health product regulation with NUS. As we all know that working in a regulatory field is always require a connection between manufacturing experts and the regulatory bodies. Although to keep up with the pace globally is difficult, therefore, CoRE at NUS has emerged as a single point solution where industry dynamics and academic theory are clubbed together to provide broader insight and updated knowledge.
As a connector that supports the healthcare sector, biomedical product developers and policymakers, I was looking for a program to learn about the latest updates and insights from world-class regulators and leading experts and veterans from the industry with both global and regional outlooks. This program is exactly that.
Before taking up the course, I questioned myself, why would I take up a graduate certificate course at my own personal expense and use my annual leave? It proved that it is worthwhile to spend 5 full days per module, not only listening to the lectures compared to solid contents, but also have interactive sessions, connecting with the peers, sharing our experience and perspective, fresh blood in RA or even academia who see the questions from different perspectives.
Today is a special day for me as I graduate with the certificate in health products regulation. This has been an incredible journey with pockets of intense course filled with exciting and positive learning experiences.
So CoRE has always been very selective in choosing the mentors for the course, and it was a perfect match between the topic and the speaker. The interactive learning and the real-life case studies during the workshops expanded the scope of regulatory knowledge so as to think rationally and grow our networks. Personally, it has given me a chance to understand, upgrade, and implement my knowledge in the regulatory area.
And above all, the excellent speakers CoRE invited from around the world, from established organizations with years of experience, whom we would not have met during our day-to-day job. And they were so eager to share with the students the latest regulatory trends and philosophy behind them.
Also, where else could we learn intensively with classmates who are working professionals from over 5 countries?
It has been an enjoyable experience throughout, starting from the smooth application process to the friendly and knowledgeable faculty members. I particularly enjoyed the practicums as they allowed us to practice what we learned during the courses.
Throughout the program, I had the opportunity to learn from some of the best minds in the field of regulatory science. The faculty were knowledgeable, supportive, and always available to answer any questions my course mates and I had, be it through learning weeks or offline.
I always remember the heated discussion with James after the end of every IRA and JIRA, but that really opened our minds to the broader world.
Through education, I'm empowered to create a positive impact in bringing health products and therapies to patients in need.
I'm empowered to stand up to the challenge in the next chapter of evolving regulatory science.
I'm empowered to facilitate innovation development and understand marketing authorization requirements in both Asia and international markets.
I'm empowered to better navigate the ever-changing regulatory landscapes.
So I wholeheartedly would like to thank CoRE and US to provide such a collaboration where we can learn while we earn, and hope in future to continue providing such courses for the working professional for better understanding and learning. Thank you.
At the end, I'd like to thank my family and friends for their unwavering support throughout this journey. I'm immensely grateful to have had this opportunity, for which I'd like to thank my former supervisors and colleagues at the Center for Technology and Development, CTED, and the faculty members and course coordinators at the Center for Regulatory Excellence, CoRE, Duke-NUS. Thank you.
Thank you, Duke-NUS CoRE, for a very enjoyable and rewarding learning journey.
I'm grateful for the opportunity to attend the courses and I look forward to learning more and seeing familiar faces in the future. Happy graduation, everyone!